This is TCL 505 and today I'll show how you can enter the power saving mode on this device. Start, you will need to launch the Smart Manager either from the home screen shortcut, or you might as well launch settings and find the Smart Manager category here and consequentially launch it. Then go for the battery preferences, and at the page that follows you can either enable the normal saving mode. You can also change its preferences and the measures that it's going to take. And you can also switch on the ultra power saving mode or super power saving mode to be precise, if you want to preserve even more battery. So that'll be it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.